Today I will show you how to create this 3D animated text in the style of YEAT. But before that, want to speed up your edits without losing quality? I just dropped a versatile preset pack for Premiere Pro. 50 plus presets, mask out transitions, shakes, hits, and more. Try the free sample before you buy. Get 50% off until the end of the year. Link in bio.